Ever found yourself wishing you could take a deeper dive into your Pocketguard data, manipulate it, or even just have it all laid out in a spreadsheet? You're not alone. Many of you have asked whether it's possible to export your Pocketguard transactions and budgets to a good old-fashioned Excel sheet. It's a fantastic question because having your financial information in a format like Excel opens up a world of possibilities for analysis, custom reporting, and even integration with other tools you might be using. Pocketguard is a fantastic app for getting a handle on your spending, tracking your net worth, and setting budgets. Its visual interface and automated insights are incredibly helpful for day-to-day money management. However, sometimes you need that raw data, those individual transactions neatly organized in rows and columns, to really understand the nuances of your financial habits or to perform more complex calculations. So, let's get straight to the point. As of my last update, Pocketguard does not offer a direct, built-in feature to export your data directly to an Excel.xlsx or CSV file. I know, it might not be the answer you were hoping for. The app is primarily designed for in-app analysis and provides various reports and visualizations within its own interface. But don't click away just yet. While there isn't a straightforward export to Excel button, there are a few potential workarounds and things to consider. One possibility, although it can be a bit manual, is to take screenshots of your transaction history and budget overviews within the Pocketguard app. You could then potentially transcribe this data into an Excel sheet. Obviously, this method is time-consuming and prone to errors, especially if you have a large volume of transactions. It's really only feasible for very small datasets or specific time periods. Another avenue to explore, although it requires some technical know-how, might involve looking into whether Pocketguard has an application programming interface, or API. An API allows different software applications to communicate with each other. If Pocketguard has a public API, technically inclined users could potentially build a custom script or use third-party tools to extract data. However, based on publicly available information, Pocketguard doesn't widely advertise a public API for general user access. This option is likely beyond the reach of most users. It's also worth considering that data privacy and security are paramount when dealing with financial information. Pocketguard likely has stringent protocols in place regarding data access and export to protect your sensitive details. While this is a good thing from a security standpoint, it can sometimes limit user flexibility in terms of data manipulation outside the app. Finally, the landscape of financial apps is constantly evolving. Features are added, and functionalities are updated based on user feedback and technological advancements. Therefore, it's always a good idea to check the official Pocketguard support documentation or their website for the most up-to-date information regarding data export options. You might also consider reaching out to their support team directly to voice your need for an Excel export feature. User feedback often plays a significant role in shaping future app development. So, while the direct answer isn't what you might have wanted to hear, understanding the current limitations and potential, albeit less convenient, workarounds can be helpful. Keep an eye on future Pocketguard updates, as user demand for data export features could lead to its implementation down the line. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.